Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted to make your Notion workspace more visual, organized, and fun, today's tutorial is just for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add a picture to a gallery view in Notion 2025, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up an eye-catching gallery that not only looks great, but also makes it super easy to find and manage your content. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the part of your Notion workspace where you'd like your gallery view to live. Look for the little plus sign. This is where Notion lets you add new content and features. Go ahead and click that plus. It's usually off to the left, but it might look a bit different depending on your app or browser. You might see a lot of options pop up, so don't worry if it looks busy. We're specifically looking for Gallery View. You can use the search bar that appears after clicking the plus sign and just start typing Gallery, which will help you quickly narrow down the choices. When you see Gallery View come up, select it. Notion will auto-generate a new gallery page for you. This is basically a visual board where each item appears as a card you can customize. Think of it like pins on a corkboard, where each pin is a different page, project, or note. This layout makes it really easy to see everything at a glance, especially when you add images. Now, click on the newly created gallery page. Notice how each card or page you add to the gallery can be personalized. To really make it stand out, let's add a cover image. At the very top of your chosen page, there's an Add Cover button. It might be subtle, so take a second to find it. Click on that. This is where the magic starts happening. Notion gives you a selection of beautiful images in its built-in gallery. These are perfect if you want something that already fits the aesthetic or mood you're going for. For this demonstration, we'll pick a picture directly from Notion's gallery options, just to keep things simple. But it's good to know, if you want something really personal or branded, you can always upload your own image later by clicking the Upload option. Take a moment to scroll through the available pictures and select one that you like. Whether it's a serene landscape, a quirky illustration, or a minimalist background, choose something that represents how you want this gallery page to feel. Select your image and give Notion a moment to apply it as your cover. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds to show up. Sometimes it needs to load depending on your internet connection or image size. Once it appears, your page will instantly look more lively and easier to recognize among the other items in your gallery view. And honestly, that's all there is to it. Adding pictures to your gallery view is a simple but powerful way to transform the look and usability of your Notion workspace. It can help you visually categorize information, make important projects more prominent, or just inject a bit of personality into your workflow. If you want, you can repeat these steps for other pages in your gallery, using different cover images to make each one unique. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other Notion tricks you'd like to see covered. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical guides to improve your digital productivity. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.